Alright, so I'm going to surprise someone. It's very, very special.
I bet you think that I should calm down. And I'm overthinking everything about you.
Yo! Dude!
And I would do the way we are.
Yo! What was the craziest part about flying here?
I expected me and him to get the same amount of personal space.
Yeah. He took half.
And best believe, every time I speak to Kai, Mom finishes the conversation for him.
Family's in town and pretty pumped.
Since
Can't
I
lie,
met
pretty
you
stoked.
for the first time.
Yo!
You know we should work it out. You know.
Yo, what are you doing?
Why did you scare the crap out of me?
You okay?
Yeah. It smells like Chibo in here. And
What is that, a cat?
no, Kai's been playing with it. It's not playing. What do you?
2 hands.
Wait, you can't touch your toes. Go again. Go.
2 hands. 2 hands. 1 hand, you get that stretch.
Jay thinks he's like the most flexible liar. Yeah.
You lose, dude. What?
The game just got real serious.
Before I'm doing this thing, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go when I come real close.
So we're back in Jerusalem again, and we came from a lot. And look what we're wearing.
Before I'm doing this thing, I should probably ask you
Paper, cold, pizza.
better. Like, can
Okay, what's going on over here, Che?
Curito's being pulled.
Maja? We're gonna pull that Curito. I'll do one.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm doing this thing, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah.
You have to win.
Hey, break it, hey, he. At what age, Kai, do you think you're gonna get married?
26.
What age are you gonna have kids?
32, I think. I don't know.
How many kids are you gonna have?
Like 1 or 2.
That's it? You don't want a big family?
So basically, I'm heading to the court right now. No stretching, nothing. I'm
That
hoping-
boy don't get hung.
Anyways, immediately dunking.
Before I'm doing this thing, I should probably ask you